We're seeing her brother know his friends.
Yo, check it. Big germ on the
Please subscribe.
This breakfast shit tends to get a little bit hectic. Alright, listen. I go by Ashton Lateral. Let's prove this shit is a joke. Now, when I asked you to battle, you should have just said no to me. You said you've only lost once. Was that supposed to scare me? Bitch, my record's fucking flawless. Just go ask the other Jeremy.
Oh.
Hold it down. This faggot had a butt coming on in his Twitter pics. On his skateboard doing simple tricks. Bitch, you don't know what hip-hop is. You little dick brittle shit. I can riddle and spit a limerick 6 times as ill as pop. So
come! Oh, yeah. That rhymes so bad. Yo, I cannot believe it. Brother's rapping. Why did he blur out his face?
This ain't URL. This ain't King of the Dot. This is PVI, bitch, and I'm the king of this spot. Other than any skills this kid thinks that he's got. To prove once and for all that I am sicker than cop.
You're sicker than a cop. I guess.
A fucking joke. You don't puff or smoke, you stay home reading Tumblr quotes, rubbing your disgusting throat and wishing you were Chuck so dope.
That's funny. Yeah, they roasting the crap out of this guy.
You are dreaming if you think that you can win this. Wake up. That baby ass face looks like you're always wearing makeup. If you weren't already fat, I would tell you to get your weight up. Holy fuck. Call the paparazzi. Queen Latifah got her shape up.
Oh, yeah. You get him. Get him. Sorry, guys.
Like an extra tubby Teletubby. You are young as fuck looking and you're chunky. You ain't even gotta smoke weed to get the munchies.
Please don't subscribe.
You're a diva when you're hungry.
Hey, please don't subscribe to this video. Please don't subscribe.
Hold up.
Okay?
Real shit.
This channel's so it's the worst.
And that shit's weak. Cough syrup, my lungs, my dad, my acne. Bitch, please. Yo, does it smell? You wanna talk real shit? Really? 6 months, my dad ditched me. I've been mentally unstable since I was 15. That's real shit, guys. I got nothing to hide. I've been real close to suicide about 4 or 5 times. Now, man the fuck up, look me in the eyes. Joke about that. You can't stop out my pride.
Oh. Damn.
I told you. Wait, hold up. He's about to read this shit?
I heard this shit like 4 periods ago.
He's reading off his phone. That shows so much proof this guy's a noob.
We'll see.
Brother. Shut up.
Alright, let him spit.
Damn. Stop. By the way, this is not our brother. Or don't subscribe.
Let him read his fucking bars.
Subscribe, guys, if you like it.
See, I hate to break it to you, but you cannot rap man. Everybody's votes. I got Batman. It's console sick, an introduction I need no. Say you're beating me though. You got a better chance of sister making a prep rally free throw. You were on Twitter thinking that I was scared of him. He's a hard rapper that overdosed on Claritin. I open the store, you bring you down to your knees. So bad, Mr. Lamar. Can I have Alex Scott, please? Everybody told me watch out for Goon Smacker because I am a new rapper that's gonna leave you, that's gonna make you fall like a 9/11 newscaster. So watch out, I said for who, Casper? You swore you had this rap shit down like you mastered.
Get out of here, bro. Get out of here.
You're reading it. Come on.
You're reading off
See, now,
your
if
phone,
you cannot
bro.
tell, I will make your girl like black girls, like what Darren did to Michelle. Class is in session. Cop killed Jeremy. That's where the high school confessions. I'm about to blow like I was radioactive. Quick! Somebody get him some proactive. See, did he get killed? Someone you're okay with lyrics, but you lack with your delivery. You know better. I didn't memorize it. See, I I know you hate your dad, so I don't want to upset him. Because he left when you were 6 months. So your mom asked me to stop.
I'm saying, bro.
See, because he thinks he's real hard whenever he starts hurting me. But I'm free if he says that he's going to murder me. Because I'm coming out of nowhere. Most of y'all have never heard of it.
Oh, we messed up.
Only verbal.
What else?
See. This championship I might take because you steady getting benched like Matt Arthur's highlight tape.
That ain't even a value. I only got enough written down for a second round.
Not our channel. This is not our channel.
See, if my bars get any thicker, I might hurl. I'll make you shut down like Mike Johnson when he talks to white girls.
So funny.
Rap about me.
He's not even rapping.
Let's talk about how you overdose on some I ain't remember that. Freestyle.
Bro, you're not memorizing. So fast when you start on an iPhone, you turn it into an iPad,
so
bro.
bad, they're gonna want me to stop it and watch me give your mom rounds, kind of like your pop did. Oh, shit.
That's round two. I think it's about you. Yo, hold on. Wait, pause. Before y'all come here, let's have a little pop talk. Come here. Yo, you got one here. All right, so Jeremy won.
I really like it because it works with my school schedule. I go to school.
I wish I could report this. Bye-bye, losers. Done, bro. I'm done. I will beat you up, bro. Yo, I swear. I'm gonna cap this guy. Look at his friend.
Hold on, this ain't fair. I didn't get my iPad. I got a white balance. Hold on.
Bro. Bye, losers. I'm joking. Oh no, guys, I think I knocked him cold out. Oh no, I think I knocked him cold out. Oh, I'm gonna get in a lot of trouble. Oh no, yo, Jonathan, yo, I knocked him cold out. Yeah, that's my fault. Oh no, yo, fatty. I just kidding. No, I knocked him cold out. No, guys, I'll update you and tell you everything what happened because he's knocked out cold. So I'll be back, guys. I'll see you next video. Subscribe.